In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon and text in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to place small, meaningful icons right inside your sentences, headings, lists, or callouts to make your notes clearer and more visual. First, open the page where you want to work and start typing your sentence as you normally would. When you reach the exact spot where you want the icon to appear, place your cursor there. Notion makes this easy with its slash command menu. Type /, then immediately start typing the word emoji. As you type, Notion's quick menu appears, filtering results in real time so you can find the right option without breaking your typing flow. When you see the emoji option in that menu, go ahead and click it. If you prefer the keyboard, you can use the arrow keys to highlight emoji and press enter. If you don't see it right away, keep typing emoji until it's the only match. This works in standard text blocks, headings, lists, callouts, toggles, and most places where you can type inline text in Notion. The emoji picker will open, showing categories and a search field. You can scroll to browse, but searching is usually faster. Type a word that describes the idea you want to convey, like check, star, warning, book, or light bulb, and the list will narrow instantly. Click the emoji you want, and Notion will insert it exactly where your cursor was. It flows with your text, matches the line height, and moves along as you continue typing. If the icon feels cramped, add a space before or after for readability. You can use multiple emojis in a single line by repeating the same process. To remove one, place your cursor just after it and press backspace or highlight and delete. If you change your mind, simply insert a different emoji in the same spot. Copy and paste works too, which is handy if you want the same icon across several lines for consistency. A quick tip, you can use emojis in headings for scannable section titles, in task lists to signal status, or in callouts to draw attention to important notes. If your system's native emoji picker appears, that's fine. Selecting from it will also insert an inline emoji in Notion. That's all there is to it. Type your text, use the slash command to find emoji, and select the icon you want. With a few well-chosen symbols, your pages will be easier to skim and more expressive without adding clutter. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.